Why become a business analyst in 2023? Top reasons and scope. In an ever-evolving business landscape, the business analyst job profile has become important. These professionals bridge the gap between business needs and technological solutions, making them key players in achieving.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Organizational goals. If you're seeking a stable career with competitive pay and the opportunity to influence corporate decisions, consider choosing a path as a business analyst. The Bureau of Labor Statistics anticipates a 14% employment increase for management analysts, which includes business analysts, from 2020 to 2030. This growth rate markedly surpasses the average for all occupations and emphasizes how these professionals actively assist organizations in making data-driven decisions. We will consider why to become a business analyst, exploring the factors that make a career as a business analyst appealing in 2023 in this blog. Business analysts use data and analysis to help companies make wise decisions. They are the problem solvers of the business world. However, this career goes beyond financial rewards. It provides intellectual stimulation, diverse career prospects, and a profound sense of professional fulfillment. OP 11 Reasons to Become a Business Analyst in 2023. A career as a business analyst in 2023 holds immense promise and is teeming with opportunities. These professionals are the linchpins that connect business objectives with effective solutions. Here, we delve into the top 11 reasons why to become a business analyst in 2023 is a wise choice. 1. High demand and job security. The demand for business analysts continues to soar across industries, underpinning job security. Organizations rely on them to decipher complex data, uncover trends, and provide insights for informed decision-making. 2. Competitive salaries and benefits. Business analysts enjoy competitive salaries, reflecting their importance in the decision-making process. Competitive salaries are often accompanied by comprehensive benefits packages, including healthcare, retirement plans, and performance bonuses. 3. Diverse career opportunities. Being a business analyst offers versatility across sectors like technology, healthcare, and finance. You're not confined to one area, enabling career customization to your interests. You're not limited to a single sector, opening doors to diverse career opportunities. 4. Influence business strategy. Business analysts play a pivotal role in shaping an organization's strategic direction. Being an architect of business strategy is not only professionally gratifying but also pivotal for a company's success. By helping organizations make informed choices, you become a trusted advisor, integral to their growth and prosperity. 5. Learn something new every day. The dynamic nature of business ensures that stagnation is not an option for BUS, given the evolving business analyst job requirements. They face new challenges daily, keeping their work engaging and their minds sharp. Problem solving becomes second nature in this role. 6. Global and cross-industry applicability. The skills you acquire when you become a business analyst change geographical boundaries and industry-specific limitations. Understanding why you should become a business analyst opens up a world of opportunities. 7. Adaptation to technological advancements. Technology rapidly advances, placing business analysts at the forefront of innovation. Their ability to swiftly adapt to emerging tools and methodologies ensures continued professional relevance. 8. Interdisciplinary skill development. The role of a business analyst hones a diverse skill set. You'll develop strong analytical, communication, problem-solving, and project management skills, making you an asset in various contexts. 9. Strong networking and collaboration. This profession entails working closely with different departments and stakeholders within an organization. This fosters strong networking and collaboration skills, which are not only essential for your career but also personally enriching. 10. Contributing to business success. Business analysts directly contribute to the success and growth of a company. Their insights can lead to cost savings, revenue growth, and streamlined processes. Knowing that your work contributes to business prosperity is highly rewarding. 11. Fulfilling and challenging work. For those who enjoy intellectual challenges and the satisfaction of solving complex problems, a career as a business analyst offers both. Each day brings fresh, stimulating challenges, ensuring a fulfilling and engaging professional journey.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.